Hello students, today we are going to study 10th standard political science chapter 3rd India's relationship with other countries. In this lesson you learn relationship between India and China, relationship between India and Pakistan, relationship between India and Russia and relationship between India and USA. Just imagine, a family can never prosper without interacting with another family. Similarly, country can never progress without interacting with another country. In this globalized and modernized environment, it is inevitable for country to have relationship with another country. In the fourth part of our constitution, under Article 51, international peace and coexistence is explained. Relationship with major neighbor countries. Under that, the first one, India and China. China is a big country which borders India. The relationship between China and India goes back to Mesopotamia and Sindhu River civilization times. Buddhism originated in India has found wide acceptance in China. The silk trade between China and India is discussed in Kautilya's Arthashastra. After the emergence of India and China as two sovereign republics, their mutual relationships were guided by Panchashila principles. A war broke between India and China in 1962 due to the escalation of Tibetan crisis. After the war, border disputes arose and these disputes still remain unresolved. The insistence of China that Arunachal Pradesh belongs to it is one of the main bone of contentions between the two countries. In spite of the border disputes and wars, the bilateral relationship between India and China has remained and continued healthy. Both the countries have the highest population and both are identified as the leading economies of the world. With continued efforts of India and China, BRICS in 2015, the group of countries has been established. This further strengthened the relationship between India and China. The BRICS countries are Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. India and Pakistan. India and Pakistan are the neighboring countries. Pakistan is not only a neighboring country but was an integral part of India during pre-independent period. But after the India Independent Act of 1947, both countries became independent sovereign countries. Soon after independence, foreign relationship between both the countries started. There are issues like terrorism, Jammu and Kashmir issue, and water sharing dispute are there between both the countries. Both the countries have fought 3 wars. In order to improve the bilateral ties between both the countries, many agreements like Tashkent Agreement, Shimla Agreement, Lahore Bus Yatra, and Agra Conference have been entered. The bilateral ties between both the countries yielded very less. Why? This is because, in spite of these bilateral talks, attacks on Indian Parliament House in 2001, Mumbai attack in 2007, and Pathankot attack in 2016 have continued affecting the quality of the bilateral relationships. India and Pakistan have clashed over the years, but there are few similarities between the two countries. The first one is common cultural and economic ties. The second one is mutual trade relationship, and the third one is mutual help during emergency and natural calamities. India and Russia. India has cordial relationship with Russia in the matters of political, economics and other areas. USSR had opposed China's invasion of India in 1962. It also helped India during the Goa liberation in 1961. USSR had supported the Tashkent Agreement between India and Pakistan in 1966. In 1971, India and USSR signed an agreement of 20 years for peace and cooperation. USSR had supported for the establishment of Bhilai and Bokaro steel plants, and also supported to improve its industries and technology. Russia has extended its support to India's quest for permanent seat in the UN Security Council. India and USA. India and USA are democratic countries and are also big countries. In the present international scenario, both India and USA have a major role to play. The relationship between both the countries have found a few major shifts ever since 1947. During the bipolar world of Cold War era, India had maintained equal distance between Russia and USA with non-alignment policy. Let's study the mutual cooperation that exists between both the countries. USA has supported a lot to India's 5-year plans. USA has extended its support during Indo-China War of 1965. Interestingly, both India and USA have shared interest in controlling terrorism. India enjoys better relationship with the USA in the fields of foreign trade, science and technology, space science, education, and other areas of mutual interest. Both the countries share mutual responsibility strengthening UNO and maintenance of global peace. India keeps observing the policy shift in the two parties of USA, Democratic and Republican parties, and adjust its policies in accordance to it.